So here we are on Tioman Island, and between ABC Beach and Phuket, and you can see that here's the South China Sea, so the Pacific Ocean, and these trees are full of bats. I'm not sure what kind, and let's see, I'll just scan through. Like, this is not the best camera, but all of the trees, these are all evergreen trees, and they're full of bats. Let's see if I can get any closer so you can see. Wow, I've never seen this many bats. Maybe fruit bats. Amazing. And it's like all the trees. It's like at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see at least 9 trees that are their roosts, where they're roosting. I wish I could get more close-ups. This is quite amazing. These are very big bats. They're like the size of chihuahuas. Just hanging like fruits. But you can see them stretching their wings out. Quite amazing. And I'd heard that on Tioman Island, which is off the coast of Johor State, not far from Singapore, in Malaysia, I'd heard that you often see more wildlife here than you will in many of the national parks here in Malaysia. And just today, since we've been here, we've seen a giant black squirrel, we've seen flying squirrels, a variety of water birds, different types of fish. Now these bats and monitor lizards. We've seen quite a bit of wildlife today already. This is amazing. And they're all talking to each other. I watched a couple of them get into a little territorial thing, and one flew off. Got too close to the other deck. There you can see the hooks on the end of their wings. Looks like they have reddish brown fur. You can smell the guano, the bat poop. Wow, so many trees full of bats. Wow. Stretching their wings. It's like they're grooming. This is amazing. I've seen plenty of bats in caves before. And one time in Cambodia, I saw some fruit bats hanging from trees, but I don't remember seeing this many. Yeah, they've got reddish hair. Some Some of them look like they're in a deep sleep. And a number of them are interacting. I've also seen a different type of a monkey species here. I'm not sure what kind it is. Very furry faces. Wow, I wish that I had a proper camera so that you could see the detail. Yeah, this one's hanging by one leg and scratching with its bottom leg and using its hooks to scratch. Very itchy. It would get quite sunny here earlier in the day. Can't imagine this would be the ideal place to sleep. So if you happen to know what kind of bat this is and what they eat, please let us know in the comments. Wow. This is amazing.